Hello everyone, now in the dark forest with ASTROLUX ED01. It is an interesting flashlight. This one comes with TIR lens and it also has RGB light. Okay, here let's see the detail. Okay, ED01. For the LED, it is Lumilet HL2X LED. I've never used this LED before. Okay, for the max lumen, here let's see. Max lumen is about 1087 lumen for the high mode. Okay, medium 550 lumens, and low about 10 lumen. I'm not sure whether this is wrong or not. 1087 lumen for 8 hours. I think this is wrong. Okay, for the RGB light, it is 10 lumen, and for the strobe 1200 lumens. Okay, the flashlight is quite easy to use. Okay, you can also use 1X650 battery and also 1X350 battery. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, it also has a lighted switch too. Here, one click to turn on. Okay, hard press. Oh, sorry. Okay, hard press to change the brightness. It seems that you have to press it twice. Okay, and then it will go to another mode. Okay, here, this is RGB light. If you want to get to strobe, okay, double click. It's a bit difficult. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, this is strobe. Okay, it also has memory function. Okay, okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, good things about this flashlight, it has a lighted switch so that you can find your flashlight in the darkness. Okay, and it can also change the color. Okay, let's start. Oh, let me change the mode. Okay, this is the RGB light. Okay, here. Okay, okay, here is the lowest mode. The lowest mode is very low. You can't use this mode for walking around the forest. Okay, too low. You have to use medium. But medium is too bright for me. Okay, let's see. Here, you see that? Things for improvements about the brightness. Okay, is the gap between the low and medium. Okay, it is too much. Okay, so this is one thing that should be improved. Maybe there should be 4 brightness level: low, medium, high, turbo, something like that. Okay, okay, low is too low, and then medium is, I think, too bright. Okay, but okay, for the beam profile, I think I really like it because it gives some throw and very floody. You can see the spill here. Okay, very good. See that? I really love its spill. Very good beam. I like this TIR lens. Okay, this is medium. Okay, I will show you high. Okay, yeah, I have to press twice here. This is the highest mode. Okay, it lasts about I think it will step down within 2 minutes. Okay, but still bright enough. Very good beam. You can even use it for cycling. Okay, there's no annoying ring at the edge. Very good beam. Its beam is really good for walking around the forest, okay, trekking, something like that. Here, I think it gradually stepped down. Yeah. Very good beam. Another thing for improvement is I think it should use like Osram P9. I think this LED is a bit green. Okay. If possible, use warmer LED, something like that. Here it stepped down already. I think the high mode lasts about maybe 1 minute, something like that. Okay, and then it stepped down to about, I think, maybe medium. Okay. And to access strobe, I think it's quite difficult, as I showed you before that. Okay, it is quite difficult to access strobe, not easy at all. Okay, that should be improved. Okay, RGB light, I think this is useful. Lighted switch, I think that's very good. Okay, overall, I think this is a good and versatile flashlight. Okay, its beam is really good. Okay, wow. Yeah, just a few things for improvement, as I just mentioned. Okay, but overall, I think it's quite satisfying. Okay, to use this flashlight. Let me check again. Here, I do the hard press again. It doesn't go to the RGB mode. Okay, it seems to refresh, okay, the high mode. Okay, here I'll click again here. This is RGB mode now. Okay, press it twice. Low. Okay, low. Medium. Okay, yeah, it stepped down to about medium. Okay, high here. Okay, okay, overall it's good. I like it. I like its beam. Really good throw and good flood. Okay, okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.